Meaning of impresario.
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 Impresario. Impresario is a noun that refers to a person who organizes and often finances concerts, plays or operas. The term originates from Italian, where it means entrepreneur or manager. An impresario is responsible for almost all aspects of producing a show, including hiring performers, securing venues, promoting the event, and managing finances. In some cases, impresarios may also invest their own money to ensure the success of a performance. Due to their expertise in financial backing, impresarios play a crucial role in the performing arts industry, helping to bring talent and entertainment to audiences around the world.